Branched-chain amino acids have received a lot of hype lately as a superstar sports supplement that can bump up muscle building and promote quicker recovery between workouts. However, the potential benefits of the branched-chain amino acids extend way beyond the gym, with new studies showing that supplementing with these essential amino acids can improve liver function and keep you looking trim. The official branched-chain amino acid definition includes any type of amino acid that has a chain that branches off to one side. This includes 3 amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. All 3 are considered essential. This means your body is unable to produce them on its own, and you need to obtain them from food sources. Unlike most other amino acids, the branched-chain amino acids are broken down in the muscles instead of the liver, and they play a key role in the production of energy during exercise. They're also abundantly vital to many other aspects of health, including maintaining normal blood sugar levels and building muscle. Branched-chain amino acids have been heavily researched in recent years, and new studies have unearthed a long list of benefits. Studies show adding the branched-chain amino acids to your diet can boost muscle growth, ease post-workout recovery, improve liver health, prevent muscle loss, enhance athletic performance, and even increase weight loss. One of the most impressive benefits of the branched-chain amino acids for women and men is its ability to improve muscle growth. For instance, one study that was published in Frontiers Physiology found people who consumed branched-chain amino acids after resistance training experienced 22% more muscle protein synthesis than the control group. If you find you're sore after hitting the gym, the branched-chain amino acids can help. Studies show they can reduce the breakdown of protein during exercise and reduce muscle damage to sidestep soreness and speed up recovery. One study out of Japan even found taking the branched-chain amino acids pre-workout led to reduced soreness and muscle fatigue. For this reason, it should come as no surprise that a review of 8 studies published in Nutrition concluded branched-chain amino acid supplementation is a more effective strategy to speed up recovery than rest following periods of intense exercise. Some research suggests the branched-chain amino acids play a beneficial role for people with certain liver conditions, such as cirrhosis, hepatic encephalopathy, and liver cancer. For example, one review of 11 studies found branched-chain amino acids were able to improve liver function in patients who were undergoing liver surgery, reducing the risk of complications, the duration of hospital stay, and the potential financial burden on the patient. Other research has also found taking the branched-chain amino acids can offer protection against liver cancer and can benefit hepatic encephalopathy. Losing muscle mass is a normal part of the aging process, and it often occurs as we get older, a condition known as sarcopenia. Muscle loss is also commonly experienced as a side effect of chronic conditions like cancer. Fortunately, getting plenty of branched-chain amino acids in your diet is an easy and effective way to start to slow the muscle wasting and to optimize your body composition. According to a study published in the journal Clinical Science, the infusion of branched-chain amino acids was effective at reducing the breakdown of muscle in the body. Other animal studies have confirmed these results, reporting the branched-chain amino acids can block the degradation of skeletal muscle in rats. Supplementing with the branched-chain amino acids can help to improve your athletic performance on the field or in the gym. Not only can it increase muscle growth and reduce soreness, but it can also enhance strength and performance. For example, one study conducted by Leeds Metropolitan University in the UK showed supplementing with leucine every day for 12 weeks during a resistance training program resulted in significant improvements in strength performance. More and more emerging research has found a concrete link between supplementing with branched-chain amino acids and weight loss. In one study taking a branched-chain amino acid supplement, it was found to increase lean body mass and decrease body fat more effectively than whey protein, when combined with resistance training in 36 men. Similarly, an animal study showed long-term supplementation with leucine helped to reduce body fat without affecting protein status in rats. There's plenty of branched-chain amino acids, capsules, powders and pills available. However, opting for a protein powder instead might be a better option, as it contains all 9 of the essential amino acids that your body needs, and it includes all 3 branched-chain amino acids. Some of the best amino acid supplements include whey protein and protein powder made from bone broth, both of which contain a wide range of important amino acids. Brown rice protein is another option, and it's actually a vegan branched-chain amino acid source, and it boasts a complete set of all 20 amino acids. You can use any of these options to make a branched-chain amino acid drink. Research has shown that the branched-chain amino acids can be beneficial for men and women, and they might help to increase muscle growth, speed up weight loss, and improve athletic performance. Therefore, the best branched-chain amino acid for women and men can vary based on the personal preference rather than the gender. When it comes to figuring out when to take the branched-chain amino acid supplements, most recommend using them before and after workouts to optimize your exercise routine. Another option is to take them right before bed, which is thought to help to support muscle recovery and to reduce soreness while you sleep. For best results, branched-chain amino acids should be taken over a long period of time. This means it's important to take it on the days that you exercise as well on the days you don't. The dose can vary, but it's typically recommended to aim for 91 milligrams per pound of body weight. So for example, if you weigh 150 pounds, you'd need to take 13.5 grams of branched-chain amino acids per day. Branched-chain amino acids are considered safe when taken in doses of up to 35 grams per day. However, there's some negatives to consider. For example, those with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, or ALS, are advised not to supplement with branched-chain amino acids, as it can impact cells in the nervous system. Additionally, people with a condition known as maple syrup urine disease are unable to properly break down the branched-chain amino acids, and they should also limit the consumption. Weight loss, fatigue, diarrhea, vomiting, seizures, coma, and even death are all potential symptoms that can occur as a result of this genetic condition. Today, branched-chain amino acids are often used to treat a variety of medical conditions, including burns, trauma, and sepsis, which is a complication that can arise as a result of an infection. New research also suggests the branched-chain amino acid supplementation can be beneficial for other conditions like diabetes and liver disease. Branched-chain amino acids are a type of essential amino acid, including valine, leucine, and isoleucine. The body is unable to produce these amino acids on its own, so it's important to get them from your diet or from a supplement. Research has uncovered a number of potential benefits from the branched-chain amino acid supplementation, including enhanced muscle growth, faster recovery time, better liver health, decreased muscle loss, improved athletic performance, and increased weight loss. The branched-chain amino acids can be found in many different protein foods, including meat, poultry, fish, legumes, and eggs. They're also available as supplements, such as protein powder, bone broth, whey protein, and brown rice protein. You can try taking the branched-chain amino acids before and after workouts. To learn about herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.